And then that flows from this way. I'll show you where. In the fall, it doesn't through the. It's a wild creek, and it fills up by rainwater. And the reason we probably haven't seen it is because of the dry that we've had. And then we're approaching this area over here where all that stuff is. All right, if you can see that black tube in the back over there, that's the one it comes in through. And we discovered a squirrel or chipmunk was throwing down nutshells from a tree on this side by our grandpa's RV. It was just big. We heard big noises, and it was coming from those trees, and we saw things getting dropped down. So that's nutshells. Mom thought it was the neighbor working. But, So I just want you to know, that is our nature today. We took a little walk. I made Mom go down there twice. I feel bad for